you guys were playing now we're jamming now with us, diba? How long have you been playing? Before si Katres. Oo, i-count natin yan before si Katres.
Before si Katres? Almost 2 years na. Nabuo kami sa banda na ng birthday ni August 3, 2009.
That was our first jam.
Kaya yun ang parang kinasider namin.
Kinasider namin ang anniversary. 3.
Okay, so, yung 2 years na yan, ha? Marami pa kayong bubunuin. And you guys are up there already after PGT. So, wish you luck. We're so proud of you. You're still up this, by the way. Alright, so, invite everybody. If they want to follow you on Facebook, on Twitter, go ahead.
We would like to invite everybody, all the skaters out there, to check out our Facebook page. Just type Skates, that's SKEIGHTS. And you can check out our Twitter account at skates_band. Yeah.
Salamat po sa mga support.
Hindi Skites, ha? Skates. Marami. Skites. Okay, may follower kayo over Twitter. Her name is, her Twitter name is I am Sarah V. She's from Caloocan, and it's her birthday, so go ahead.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sarah.
Ayan, nasa-smiley siya. Alright, Sarah, I hope you're happy. She's all the way